GoDaddy online books, best for online marketplace. You can make the sales channels are brilliant for small business owners who must manage both online and offline sales, such as how it's important for those business to have an accounting programs that can make all of those transactions through GoDaddy online bookkeeping sent out in that begin tracks to integration with marketplace such as Amazon, Easy and PayPal. With such you can send invoice and accept payment, and the billing to run of below of report plans of more than GoDaddy online book base our choice for the best accounting software for online merchants. Accounting software in account software, tropical futures, online business, and a way to send online grocery set. GoDaddy online bookkeep business owners to PayPal and run a solo reports to give you real time data and deep intent like the other accounting software. We received GoDaddy online book page close, which means there's nothing to download and you can sing in from any in additional to online sales date integration. This account software has many forget some business owners need encoding the invoice to send invoice and smaller payment via mobile advance reach invoice and tracks marriage to time. GoDaddy has their invoice pricing plans. The basic plans $5 a month, the medium plan $10 a month, premium plan 15th month. GoDaddy has solo approved and invoice help.